So these are dung cakes drying on the edge of the reservoir. And once they're dried, they're picked up and they're stacked in one of these. Like so. And then they have a layer over the top of them to keep the rain off. And then they use the dung to fuel their fires to cook on. Like, I knew that life was pretty basic in a lot of India, but I didn't realize how much of India it's still so basic. Like, India is changing and transforming so quickly, but for so many people, this is their life. They're planting rice by hand, they're cultivating the hand by hand. I've seen tractors ploughing rice paddies, but then I've also seen oxen pulling a wooden plough. And I'm not in a remote region. This is only 2 hours from Delhi. And 2 hours from Delhi is basically next door.